This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Your search for your next home is over. This immaculate condo with an open floor plan design is located in the highly sought-after Greenbrier area of Chesapeake. The private fenced-in patio and luxuriously updated, spacious kitchen will make entertaining and daily living a breeze. The highlight of this home is the abundance of storage found throughout. There is no wasted space and the functionality offers plenty of room. The high ceilings and large bedrooms make the space seem even larger. This very lightly lived-in condo even offers a full-size utility room on the second floor and deep hallway spaces that can easily accommodate a flexible office or homeschool area. Just a short distance to many nearby interstate connections, shops, eateries and military bases, this home truly checks all the boxes. A home warranty.